Hi, well, as you can see, we've got a Mercedes Citan 1.5 diesel with a Renault engine in it, basically. And the fault engine management light is on, and then it all comes up with a thermoplunger failure. So try to find this thermoplunger. That's sort of as you can see, as like an old Vauxhall Novanos. That's yeah. Renault Traffic. They had this little glow plugs in the heating, in the water pipe. You got like a heating plug sort of a thing. I'll take one out. That's what they look like. Just normal glow plugs basically to heat up the water. But you come up with a diagnostic on a diagnostic that is faulty basically. And we stripped the top, we stripped the bottom, couldn't find them. Love no money. Eventually, we took the turbo hose off the top, and you can just about see through the gap the position of it. In the end, I've stripped the top, stripped the bottom, couldn't get to it. In the end, I had to take the whole front of the van off, and now you can actually easily get to them. Right there. There, the glow plug. That's the old ones. Obviously, that is totally wrong, but the glow, the glow elements, basically they're good. They're exactly the same. So what I did, I took them all out, and they all come out nicely. And I'm gonna put them ones into there, because there's actually not no problem with the leaks, so we have no issue with the manifold itself. We just have problem with them plugs, and we'll just put the plugs in and bolt it all back together. It's like a same access to this intercooler. It's right at the front. You can't get to any bolts, but once you move the radiator, all of that bracket out of the way, and you can get to it. Lovely. Even the starter motor is behind the intercooler. It's right there. And so even now, once it's off, you still have to remove that bracket just to get to the starter motor. Absolute nightmare. But yeah, there you go. That's what happens when the Mercedes marries up with a Renault. You get that. All right, thanks for watching.